Hello everyone, welcome to the Shastra Challenge 5 Contest P. So we will be looking at the first question here. What the first question states, crafting sticks. Steve is in Minecraft and he wants to build a house, but he has a stick of length n units. And he can split the stick into two or more pieces as long as each piece has the same kind of length, like all even or all odd. For example, he can equally divide the stick into six equal parts of length 1 unit each. He can also do this by dividing it into three three parts of length 2 unit each. But if he has a stick which is 3 units long, then he can't divide it into two pieces, two and one, because one is even and other is odd. The big question is whether Steve can end up with a stick that's exactly x unit long using this method. So the inputs are basically n and x. N is the length of the stick, and x is the length of the stick that which we want. Steve wants basically input format basically as it remains in the contest as usual. This three is the number of test cases. Six is the length of the stick, and one is like we want stick of 1 unit length each, which is equally divided. Test case explanation. We'll take a look at it now. So for the first test case, 6 and 1, Steve can initially break the stick into three parts of length 2 each. After that, Steve can pick any segment of length 2 and break it into two sticks of length 1 each. So like he took a stick, broke into the part of 2 2, and then again that 2 parts he broke into 1 1. So basically he got one one length unit, and this he got a 6 parts. So let's take a look at the code. Code here given in C++. Let's take a look at the code. Your main function, and T is the number of test cases. So we take input n and x, length of the stick, and desired stick length. Yeah, here we use conditional statements and logical operators. Logical operators used are or and. So basically in the if condition, we check if the remainder is 0, that is number is even or not, or or we check that if the number is odd, or like we can also say that the number has a remainder 1 and the length of the stick also has a remainder 1. If this satisfies the condition, then we print yes, otherwise no. Let's see how our code runs. So we'll run the code here. Yes, congratulations, you have passed the sample test case. Now after passing the sample test cases, we will submit the code and see that if it passes the internal test cases or not. Yeah, all the test cases it has been passed. Our code is clear.
The source code for this question is available in Python, Java in the description below. If you find this video helpful, then please like and subscribe and follow TCD Shastra Coding Club on Instagram. Thank you for watching.